What's up, everybody? Today we're doing Sloppy Joes on the Blackstone. It's pouring rain outside, but I'm going to keep giving you the best content that I possibly can. We're doing some ground turkey, a little bit of garlic, manwich, and finally some Colby Jack cheese on top. I had to call an audible because the rain kept getting harder and harder, so I could not toast the buns. If you like this content and all the great things that you can do, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy.